Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 14S and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find notifications and status bar. Here let's go to the battery indicator option right here. And as you can see in this device, we've got three different options. So of course, only battery indicator without the percentage. The percentage displayed inside the battery icon, so it's relatively small. And the percentage next to the battery icon, so it is much more visible. Of course, it's totally up to you which option you prefer to use. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.